Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, happy, and healthy at home. So, today we are going to do the C and D part of chapter number 10. The next thing, habit of words. So, first we will complete the C part. C is right. T for true and F for false statements. Okay, so the first one is birds build nest bird build nest in open places. The answer is birds build nest in open places? No, it build nest in hidden places. So answer is false. Okay, bird build nest in hidden places. Okay. Second, kingfisher drills a hole in the tree trunk. जो kingfisher है, that make a hole in a tree trunk? No. Who holds? Woodpecker. Okay, so this answer is false. Okay, woodpecker drill करती है और kingfisher कहाँ पे बनाती है? It make a nest in the pond of a tunnel in a pond, right? Bank of a pond पे बनाती है. Next, the nest of weaver bird. Now here W is small, okay? Weaver bird hangs from the branch of a tree. Branch of a tree. So answer is true. Okay. Now the fourth one, the nest of bulbul. The nest of a bulbul looks like a deep cup. The answer is true. जो बुलबुल का नेस्ट है वो डीप कप की तरह ही होता है ताकि जो एग्स है वो फेल ना हो सके, गिर ना सके, राइट. नेक्स्ट, द बेबी बर्ड dwell or develop strength and feathers. Strength and feathers. So answer is true. Yes. Okay. So once again we will repeat. Birds build nests in open places. Answer is false. Birds always build their nest in hidden places. Kingfisher drills a hole in the tree trunk. Answer is false. Woodpecker drills a hole in a tree trunk, and kingfisher build a tunnel type nest in the pond of a lake. The nest of a weaver bird hang from the branch of a tree. Answer is true. The nest of bulbul looks like a deep cup. True. The baby birds develop strength and feather. Answer is true. So now comes D part. Answer the following questions. So this one you have to write down in your book and as well as notebook. So D part is answer the following. Answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following question. So question number 1 is, why do W should be capital and it should touch the 3 lines? Why do birds make nest? Why do birds make nest? जो birds हैं वो nest क्यों बनाते हैं? ताकि वो ले egg कर सके. Birds answer. Birds build nest. Birds build nest to lay their eggs, ताकि वो अपने eggs दे सके, reproduce कर सके. ओके. Question number 2. What materials are used to make nests? जब वो नेस्ट बनाते हैं तो वो क्या मटेरियल, क्या सामग्री यूज करते हैं? सो आंसर इज birds use twigs, टहनियाँ, ओके, leaves, पत्ते, twigs, leaves, grass, wool, rags, mud, etc. to build their nests. Okay. Why do birds make nests? Birds build nests to lay their eggs. Okay. देन व्हाट मटेरियल्स आर यूज टू मेक नेस्ट, कौन सा मटेरियल यूज करते हैं वो नेस्ट बनाने के लिए. बर्ड यूज ट्विग्स, लीव्स, ग्रास, वूल, रैग्स, मड एक्सेट्रा टू बिल्ड देयर नेस्ट. ओके, नाउ कम्स टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 3. What kind, W should touch the 3 lines. What kind of a nest does the tailor bird make? The tailor bird make question mark. How does it build it? आंसर. तो टेलर बर्ड किस तरह का बनाती है? सो अ टेलर बर्ड make their nest with long leaves they stitch means सिलना. They stitch 2 large leaves together with a thread straw and dry twigs. तो वो 2 बड़े पत्ते लेते हैं, उनको छिलते हैं और ठीक है, और इसीलिए उसको टेलर बर्ड बोला जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4. What kind of, W should be capital and touch the 3 lines. What kind of nest does a weaver bird make? जो वेवर बर्ड है वो किस तरह का नेस्ट बनाती है? आंसर. वेवर, W capital, touch the 3 line. Weaver bird weaves a bottle-shaped nest तो वो किस तरह का नेस्ट बनाती है, बॉटल शेप नेस्ट फ्रॉम फाइन strips of leaves twigs and grass। ठीक है, twigs and grass। तो वो किस तरह की बनाती है, बॉटल शेप नेस्ट बनाती है। किससे बनाती है, स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ लीव से, ट्विग से और ग्रास से। एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन। So that's all for the day. Thank you. Bye.